Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Travefy CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Travefy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for a Travefy account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business related to travel, you know it's important to keep track of all of your clients and potential clients, and Travefy is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Travefy website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral code there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Travefy account, you want to click on this button here, Start Free Trial. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So in order to create a Travefy account, you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, business type, interests in Travefy, how many accounts for your team, how you heard about Travefy, and then lastly, you want to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this information out off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here. Let's go. Okay, immediately after, Travefy sends me a verification code to my email. So I'm going to go ahead and get that code from my email and then paste it in here, and then click on submit. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me back here to my Travefy dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start planning out itineraries. I can go ahead and start bringing in my contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Travefy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.